to that fabulous music and watching those inks just glow and flow has really got me right in the feels. I'm having trouble recording this. Okay, so what I've been showing you is the Legends of the Sea. It's an ink set with 12 colours in it. 8 of them are sheening inks, which, especially in combination with the right paper, like a slow drying paper, you get incredible glowing shot silk effects. They will glow and do their splitting and shading on normal paper as well, watercolour papers and so forth, but they just really do their thing on the levitation and window pane papers in my new collection. So you can see on the back of the paper the base colour of the ink, and then the sheen floats to the top. And the more ink you put down, the more of the sheen effect you get. You can also add water after you've applied the ink, or blot off parts of the ink to change the way the effects mutate and combobulate onto your paper and onto your page. And the 4 gradient inks in the set are from the Gods and Monsters formula, from that ilk of amazing inks that split and shade and gradiate out into their various colours. So the 4 colours in that are Sirens, which is the green, Moby Dick, which is the blue and lilac, Kraken and Leviathan are both neutrals that have like little subtle undercolours as well. And the sheening inks have their base colour, and then they have a glorious sheen. Some of them have very, very different sheens, like Blackbeard with its purple and green, or Mary Celeste with its maroon and green, Jolly Roger with its blue and pink, and Anne Bonny in the opposite way. And then there are 3 subtle ones, Francis Drake, Bermuda Triangle and Fancy, have the incredible effects, but are a little bit more subtle, if you can call them that. All of the names are for iconic, infamous pirates, vessels and surrounding bodies of water. You can use them with all of my other art supplies that I've created. But what's so much fun about these inks, as with all look at the inky fingers, oh my goodness. What's so fabulous about all of my Creative Juice inks is that you can use them from the bottle, you can put them in a mister and spray them, you can put them in the ink brushes as I was using earlier in the video, needle top bottles, fountain pens, dip pens. You can apply them with a quill if you so desire, or a stick, a skewer, a feather from the garden. Their intention is just to be a bottle of inspiration and delight to attract you to create, because as you know, creating your art, that's what makes you you, that's what makes you happy. The 12 inks in the Legend of the Sea set come in a gorgeous box with labels, so you can label all of your creative tools, and this set is exclusive to my website at janedavenport.com, where you'll find all of the inspiration, tools, journals, everything you need to get your hands as inky as mine.